I'm thrilled to have you join me on this coding adventure. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced programmer, this channel is for you. At Learn Code Fun, our mission is simple: to make learning to code fun, accessible, and enjoyable for everyone. We believe that coding is not just a skill but a superpower that can unlock endless possibilities. On this channel, you can expect a wide range of content tailored to both beginners and advanced learners. From step-by-step coding tutorials and interactive challenges to coding projects and fun coding games, there's something here for everyone. We'll cover various programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, Java, and more. I want this channel to be a community where we learn and grow together. I encourage you to get involved by leaving comments, asking questions, and sharing your coding journey with us. Your feedback and engagement are incredibly valuable and help shape the content we create. If you're as excited as I am about learning to code in a fun and engaging way, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Together, we'll explore the fascinating world of coding and unleash our creativity.